Next YouTube shorts welcome. It's officially summer, officially December, festive season. It's the December and I'm wearing the summer all shorts, the shoes and all of it and it's kind of windy today. And today is the 2nd of December. Yesterday was the 1st of December. I hope you guys enjoyed this December so far. Enjoying this video. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my daily gaming video vlog. The video uploading every day. I try to upload a lot of gamings. So stay tuned for more videos. I'm gonna try make more videos contents for you guys and post. So my goal is to do the daily vlog, Christmas vlogmas, but I decided not to. Just cut it down for a while and focus on my enjoy my time, spend time with my family, my loved ones, and I hope you guys enjoy this YouTube shorts. And I hope you guys can subscribe to my YouTube channel and give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my daily gaming videos. Please help me to grow my subscribers. I hope you have amazing December, Christmas seasons, festive seasons. What are you doing? Hope you guys have an amazing day. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.